That was a wonderful job singing. Let's give another round of applause for Ashlyn. May God continue to use your talents for His glory. And also, I forgot to say like that. Thank you. Let's have another round of applause for Daniel. Good job, Daniel. Keep it up. Make sure you keep coming up and doing things for God's glory. Okay, next we're gonna have the group song by Samuel and Simon.
Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Open to see you.